A dramatic turn of events, the Aam Aadmi Party faced a significant defeat in the Delhi Assembly elections, with the Bharatiya Janata Party making substantial gains. However, amidst this loss, AAP's incumbent Chief Minister Atishi managed to retain her Kalkaji seat, defeating Ramesh Bidhuri of the BJP by a margin of around 3,500 votes. But despite her victory, Atishi finds herself among a minority as the representation of women in the Delhi Assembly elections remains low. Only 5 women have secured seats in this election, a concerning statistic, especially when considering that women voters marginally outnumbered male voters. This continues a trend from the previous term where only 8 out of 70 assembly members were women. Looking at the performance of women candidates, the BJP has emerged with 4 victorious female representatives. Rekha Gupta triumphed in Shalimar Bagh, defeating Bandana Kumari of AAP by over 29,000 votes, while Poonam Sharma secured a win in Wazipur, defeating AAP's Rajesh Gupta by around 11,000 votes. Shikha Roy claimed victory in Greater Kailash, defeating AAP's outgoing Health Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj by about 3,000 votes. Neelam Pahalwan won in Najafgarh with a 29,000 vote lead over AAP's Tarun Kumar Yadav. However, not all women BJP candidates were successful. Deepti Indora lost to AAP's Ali Mohammad Iqbal in Matiya Mahal by around 42,000 votes. Shweta Saini was defeated by AAP's Jarnail Singh in Tilak Nagar by around 11,000 votes, and Priyanka Gautam lost to AAP's Kuldeep Kumar in Kondli. From the AAP, in addition to Atishi's victory, several other female candidates were defeated by BJP opponents. Parmila Tukas lost in RK Puram to BJP's Anil Kumar Sharma by around 40,000 votes, while Dhanmanti Chandela lost to BJP's Majinder Singh Sirsa by a margin of about 18,000 votes in Rajouri Garden. Preeti Jitendra Tomar was defeated by BJP's Tilak Ram Gupta in Trinagar with a loss of around 15,000 votes. Sarita Singh also lost to BJP Jitendra Mahajan in Rohtas Nagar by about 28,000 votes. Meanwhile, the Congress party's performance was disappointing, with no women candidates securing a single seat. Congress candidates like Krishna Tirath in Patel Nagar, Aruna in Nadela, and Harbani Kaur in Janakpuri placed third behind AAP and BJP candidates, while others such as Ariba Khan in Okhla and Pushpa Singh in Mehroli placed fourth. In all these constituencies, BJP and AAP dominated, leaving Congress with little ground to gain. As the dust settles from the election, the issue of women's representation remains a critical concern, especially as the new assembly prepares to take office. The election results reflect a long-standing challenge in Delhi politics, the underrepresentation of women, despite their increasing participation in the voting process.